All right, good day, guys, and welcome. We have this question from jamb 1988, question 13, where we are asked if 1 over p is equal to a squared plus 2ab plus b squared divided by a minus b, and 1 over q is equal to a plus b divided by a squared minus 2ab plus b squared. Find p divided by q. Now, quickly we write solution. Next, we take note of the following fact in solving this expression, that 1 over q remains the same. However, we solve this expression using the inverse of 1 over p, that is p. And therefore, we have it that p over q is equal to a minus b divided by a squared plus 2ab plus b squared times a plus b divided by a squared minus 2ab plus b squared. Some persons might be confused as to why we're using the multiplication sign here instead of a division sign. Now, we quickly note this following. Notice that p divided by q is equal to p times 1 over q. So having this at the back of our mind, we come to see the reason why we have a multiplication sign here instead of a division sign. Now, we proceed to factorize the trinomial expression at our denominators. Therefore, we have this to be equal to a minus b divided by, at our denominator here, we have a squared plus 2ab plus b squared. We look for factors of c, which in this case b squared. Now c is 1. We look for the factors of 1 that when added together gives us 2, and when multiplied gives us 1. And these are plus 1 plus 1, because 1 times 1 gives us 1, and 1 plus 1 gives us 2. So at our denominator, we have a squared plus ab plus ab plus b squared times we have a plus b divided by, rather than a squared, minus 2ab plus b squared. However, minus 2ab will be replaced by minus ab minus ab. The reason is that minus ab represent minus 1, which are the factors of 1 that when added together gives us minus 2, because minus 1 times minus 1 gives us 1, and minus 1 plus minus 1 gives us minus 2. So we proceed, we have a plus b squared. Continue to our solving. We have this equal to a minus b, and we factorize out a from a squared plus ab, and we have a bracket open, a plus b bracket close. We factorize out plus b from ab plus b squared. We have plus b bracket close, a plus b bracket close times we have a plus b. divided by, our denominator factor out a, and we end up having a bracket a minus b bracket close. We factorize out minus b from minus ab plus b squared, and we'll have minus b bracket a minus b bracket close. Now, having done this, we continue as follows. A is equal to a minus b divided by bracket open a plus b bracket close bracket open a plus b bracket close times we have a plus b, it's our numerator over here, divided by bracket open a minus b bracket close bracket open a minus b bracket close. Now similar terms cancel out, hence we have a plus b at our numerator over here, cancel out a plus b. We have a minus b at our numerator over here, cancel out a minus b. Hence our expression becomes 1 over bracket open a plus b bracket close bracket open a minus b bracket close, which itself is a difference of two square terms. Therefore, we have this to be equal to 1 divided by a squared minus b squared as our final answer. Thank you.